everyone. Today we are starting a new chapter that is called chapter number 12, equation in one variable. Okay. Now equation, you know what is equation and what is variable. Variable is nothing but an alphabet which comes with the numbers. For example, I take one example here. Suppose I take an example here, x plus 4 is equal to 9. Now here, first I have to find the value of x. First we have to remove this 4. It is plus 4. What we have to do here? If it is plus, I have to do is subtract 4. Same 4 I have to subtract here also. So what will come here? Plus into minus, it become minus 4 minus 2 is 0. Therefore x is equal to 5 minus 2 is 3. Therefore x is equal to 5. Our value of x is equal to 5. Same like this, if I take a second example. So minus x minus 2 is equal to, I take a 7. Now it was plus, I take a new 7. Minus. So what I say like this, x minus 2, opposite of minus 2 means I have to cut 0, make it into 0. Now it will become plus here. Plus into minus, minus. Plus into minus, minus. It becomes 0. Is equal to same this plus 2, I will shift here also. So what I have done, plus into minus, minus. It becomes 0 here. X is equal to 7 plus 2, it will become here 9. What is the answer here? Therefore x is equal to 9. Understood everyone? Now it was a plus, there minus, what we take a divide also. Suppose x, third order. X upon 3 is equal to 4. So what I first have to do? Now when it was plus, I had done a minus. Minus, I had done a plus. Now here upon means it is divide. So what you do when it is divide, we have to do the multiplication. X upon 3 multiplied by 3. Same here also 4 multiplied by 3. Now 3 cut it. What will come here? X is equal to 12. Therefore x is equal to 12. This is our answer. Okay. Now fourth one. Now here it was divide. I take a multiplication. So what multiply? Take here 3x. 3x is equal to 4. 24. When it is upon means divide, when it is divide, it become here multiply. When it is whenever any alpha, when any numbers come with the alphabet, it is considered as a multiplication. Means it is 3 multiplied by x. Now if you multiply is there, what we have to do here? Yes, what we have to do here? We have to divide here. Same number. Then here 24. 24 into 3. Now 3 cut it here. 3 1s are 3. 3 8s are 3 is 24. Therefore, what is the answer? Therefore, what is remaining here? X is equal to 8. So you can say x is equal to 8. Understood here? Everyone? Up to here, when it is plus, it becomes a minus. Minus, it becomes a plus. When you divide, it becomes a multiply again. Multiplication. And when it is multiplication, it becomes a divide. Now we go further. Now, in the last sums we have 4 sums we have done here. There was only one single number we are shifting there. Again dividing, adding, subtracting, dividing and multiplication. Now here 2 numbers came. So it is same method. It will not be afraid. So first what we do? One by one. What I do here? If I cut this first, minus 2. Minus 2 means it becomes here plus 2 here. Same like this here it becomes here plus 2 here, 3 here. So this minus into plus it becomes minus here. It is cut it. Now it becomes here 17p is equal to 51. Now it is multiplication. Now adding and subtraction over. Now it is multiplication is there. So what we when it is multiplication, so you have here divide here. What we do here? 17p upon 17 is equal to 51 upon 17. Now this 17 cutting. So what will come here? P is equal to 17 on the 17. 17 3s are 51. So what is that? P is equal to. Therefore, P is equal to the answer. Understood everyone? Same like this if I go for second one. If I take one example, one more example, 2 and plus 7 is equal to 9. Same way, when it is minus, we have done here plus, when it is plus, we have to do here minus. What will it do? 2n plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 9 minus 7. Now when it is plus, we are done that minus. Now 7 cut it. Now what is the remaining here? 2m is equal to 2. Now this is multiplication. So what we have to do here? Divide. So do it, what do you mean is divide 2m upon 2 is equal to 2. 2 cut it. So what is it become here? N is equal to 1. Okay, understood here? Everyone? Understood everyone? Okay. Now here become a 2 and 2 is cut it here. Same like this we are divided here. 2 1s are cut it. So what is the answer here? M is equal to 1. Okay, understood here? Now we will go one more sum here. Now it is 2 number. Now we will take another number. Third one. Third question is there. If I take 3x plus 12, 3x plus 12 is equal to 2x minus 4. Now here it was only one number, here it is one number, and here it is two numbers. Now here both are two numbers. The same method we will apply. First we have to cut this, we have to delete this number. Now what is the answer here? What we have to do here? 3x plus 12 minus 12. This plus into minus, you need the minus here. Is equal to same this minus 12 we have to do here also. Minus 12. Now what we got answer here? 3x is equal to 2x minus 16. Okay. So what do you do here? Now this first you have to do here. If I have to remove this here, what I have to do here? It is plus. So what you have 3x, it is plus. What I have to do here? Minus. Same here also 2x minus 16. When this 2 is cut in. Now 2x minus 3x minus 2x is equal to, it becomes here x. X is equal to minus 16. This is our answer. Okay, understood everyone here? This is our answer. See how when two numbers are there, how we are solving this here. Now one more sum is here, fourth one. When two numbers are there, so I'll take bigger sums here. Four sums here. 5 x minus 3 is equal to 3 x plus 2. Now in the maths we have to first, whenever any questions are there, any equations there, any bracket is there. So what we have to do first, remove the bracket. How to remove the bracket? Whenever anything is there outside the bracket, that we have to multiply. So what is the outside the bracket? 5. First what will do? 5 multiplied by x will become here 5x. 5 multiplied by 3. This minus 5 is a 50. Same as this is there. 3 into x will become a 3x. This plus sign. Plus sign. 3 to the 6. Now see the same question became here. Now what do you have first time here? First you remove this 15, minus 15. What do you have to do here? 5x minus 50 minus that we have to put here plus 15. Same as here also. 3x plus 6 plus 15. Okay. Now what we have to do here? After that, can I say here? Yes, anyone? Now what we have to do? These are plus 15 and minus 15 is cut here. So what is the remaining here? 5x. So what will go here? 3x. Now 21, 15 plus 6. 15 plus 6. How much will become here? Plus 21. Okay. Now I will remove this for 3 here. What I have to do here? First I have to do 3. It is plus here. I will do a minus. Same as this also. This then a minus. Here also we have to do a minus 3x. Now this and this is being cut. So what is the remaining? 5x minus 3x is become here 2x. 2x is equal to 21. Therefore x is equal to 21 upon 2. This multiply it will become here. Or we can say it will become here 2 and 2 divided by. So it will become here remaining. If 2 is cut it. So what is remaining? Now you can write it is 10.5 when you are dividing 21 upon 2. But we can write same as it is 21 upon 2 only. Therefore x is equal to 21 upon 2. Okay. Now we will go for One more sums. Fifth sums. When it is divided, suppose what is the answer? 8 9x upon, well, there is 9x upon 8 plus 1 is equal to 10. Okay. Now what is our first step? The first step is to remove this first plus 1. How to remove it? 9x upon 8 plus 1 minus 1. 1 is plus, become a minus. Same as 10 minus 1. So this plus into minus is cut again. So what is the remaining here? 8x upon 8 is equal to 9. Now one thing is, this number is being removed. Okay. Now I will remove this also. When you divide, what do you have to do here? Multiplication. So multiplication. Now what will you do? 8x upon 8. It is divide. I will do here multiplication. Same like this here also I will do the multiplication. So this 8 30. What is remaining here? 9x is equal to 72. 9 8 is 72. Now this also removed here. Now third one is here. 9 is here. I have to remove this 9. So what to do? It is multiplication. What I have to do here? Divide. Same like this here also. 92 upon 9. So what is this 9 cut it? 9 ones are 9 ones are. Here also you can cut 9 is 9. 9 8 is 72. So what is the remaining? Therefore x is equal to 8. Understood here? Understood here? Now you know x is equal to 8. Now we are there in the last sum we are done there was 2 bracket. Now here is 1 bracket. The first what we have to do here? First we remove the 1 bracket. So what is that? We will keep the left hand side as it is. Okay. Now you remove the 3 multiplied by x it becomes 3x minus 3 ones are become 3. Now one thing over. Now then I have to remove this minus plus 3. Whenever this plus 3 it becomes a minus 3. What I get? 2x plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 3x minus 3. Now I had here minus 3. Same I have to do here also minus 2. Okay. Now what do you know? This plus into minus it becomes minus. Okay. So what is the remaining here? 2x is equal to 3x minus 6. Minus into minus plus. 3 plus 3 6. Okay. And we'll see. Now I have to remove this or this, whichever. If I am shifting to this side, suppose I am shifting to this side, so what will become here? So what I am doing this here? What will do here? 2x minus, I will do here. Now it is here plus here. What I will do here? Minus 3x. Minus 6. Same is minus 3, I will do here 3x. Now whenever nothing is standing, no sign is there. So what is considered as plus? Plus into minus minus. 3 minus 2 will become here x. But we have to put the sign here, which is bigger. Now bigger is 3 number. Bigger is 3 number means we have to put the minus x is equal to. Now here plus into minus it is cutted. Now it becomes here minus. Now minus x is equal to minus 6. So what do you mean that? This minus is minus cutting. Now how will we help in the cutting? If I am shifting to this side, suppose minus is become a plus and this is become a minus. What we can have? Therefore x is equal to 6. Okay, understood here? X is equal to 6. Okay. Any doubt here? Everyone? Wait. Okay. Now we will go for next sum. Seven x is equal to 21. Last one. 7x is equal to 21. So what we have to do here? I will first remove this side from here. How we will remove? It is multiplication become here, divide here same like this. 7 7 30. So what is the answer? 7 is equal to 7 is the 7, 7 is the 21. Therefore x is equal to 3. Therefore we get idea answer is x is equal to 3. Okay, understood everyone? This is how you are solving the equation in one variable. Okay, the next lecture we will do the further. Okay, next exercise we will do the exercise number that is 12.2.